Hello everybody. I wanted to show you my new little valve core tool made by Milton. I gave $3.85 for it. Usually when I buy a tool I buy two of them. That way I always got one to fall back on, but I wanted to show you how to use them. They're just a little tool. They got a slot in each end for two different sizes of valve cores. But you just stick it in your valve stem on your tire, turn it counterclockwise, and it takes out that little part that holds your air in, actually, which is just a little valve that moves up and down. And you do the same thing to put it back in. Kind of stick it in there, turn it clockwise until it's snug down pretty good. You don't want to over tighten them, but that's all there is to it. So if you need a good valve stem core remover, I recommend the Milton brand. They're pretty good. I've had good luck out of them. So till the next video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like my videos, and have a great day everybody. Bye.